Welcome to Sonicwall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. In this video, we demonstrate with single sign-on implemented for content filtering, what happens if the user is not under the domain. The single sign-on software is used for user authentication. The users who are part of a domain would be authenticated by the software. Now, a question that comes up is what happens if a user is not under the domain. This depends on the configuration of the Sonicwall settings. The users who are not under the domain can be provided access to the internet or given limited access based on a Sonicwall setting. In the Sonicwall user interface, under the Users tab, Settings, in the configuration of the SSO agent, if you click on Configure SSO, under the Users tab, you would see an option Allow limited access for non-domain users. Hover the mouse pointer over the checkbox, and you would see a pop-up which would give you the action of this particular setting. If Allow limited access for non-domain users is checked, the users who are logged into a PC but not into the domain will be allowed limited access. They would be considered to belong to the Everyone users group, and the policies that applies to the group would apply to these users. Also, if NTLM is being used, the non-domain users will be given access only if the name or password matches a local user account created on the appliance. So the checkbox, Allow limited access for non-domain users, can be used as per your requirement to limit the access for non-domain users. This brings us to the end of this video on what happens if the user is not under the domain when SSO is implemented for the content filtering.